In our solar system, every planet is a battle for survival. Some kill you in seconds. Others crush you before you even touch the ground. Today, we will try to survive on every planet, starting from the very beginning. Our journey begins with the closest planet to the Sun, Mercury. Mercury is a world with no real atmosphere. Because of that, temperatures swing from freezing cold to extreme heat. Let's see how long a human could survive here. Without a spacesuit, survival is instant death. Even with a spacesuit, the extreme heat would destroy your systems in about 10 to 20 seconds. Venus, the hottest planet in our solar system, a world covered in thick clouds of sulfuric acid, with an atmosphere so dense it crushes anything that lands on it. Let's see how long a human could survive here. On Venus, the temperature reaches 475 degrees Celsius, hot enough to melt lead. The pressure is 92 times higher. You would last only 1 to 2 seconds. Earth, the only planet known to support life. A perfect balance of temperature, atmosphere, and pressure. Compared to every other world in our solar system, Earth is paradise. Let's see how long a human could survive here. On Earth, the atmosphere protects you from radiation. The pressure matches your body, and the temperature stays within survivable limits. Without a suit, you can live your entire life here, around 90 years. The Moon, Earth's only natural satellite, a silent, airless world with no atmosphere and extreme temperature swings. With no atmosphere, the Moon exposes you to a perfect vacuum. Your blood begins to boil, oxygen leaves your lungs, and you lose consciousness in about 10 seconds. Without a suit, you die in 15 seconds. In a spacesuit, you survive longer, but not forever. The extreme temperatures and radiation damage your systems within 1 to 2 hours. Mars, the planet that looks the most like Earth, yet remains completely deadly to humans. A thin atmosphere, freezing temperatures, and almost no oxygen. On Mars, the pressure is less than 1% of Earth's. Your blood begins to boil, oxygen leaves your lungs, and you lose consciousness in under 20 seconds. Without a suit, you die almost immediately. In a spacesuit, you survive longer, but the cold and low pressure damage your systems quickly. You would last only 1 to 2 hours. Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system, a gas giant with no solid surface, made of crushing pressure and violent storms. Jupiter's atmosphere is a deadly mix of freezing temperatures, toxic gases, and pressure that increases faster than any suit can handle. Without a suit, you die instantly, less than 1 second. Even with a spacesuit, the pressure crushes you almost immediately. You would survive only 2 to 3 seconds before the suit collapses. Saturn, a massive gas giant surrounded by the most iconic rings in the solar system. Beautiful from afar, but deadly up close. Saturn's atmosphere is colder than Jupiter's, but the winds are far more violent. Without a suit, the freezing temperatures and lack of oxygen kill you instantly. Less than 1 second. Even with a spacesuit, the pressure and extreme winds tear your systems apart. You would survive only 2 to 3 seconds. Uranus, an ice giant tilted on its side, with an atmosphere colder than anywhere else in the solar system. A silent, frozen world of methane and deadly pressure. Uranus is one of the coldest places in the solar system. The freezing temperatures and toxic gases kill you instantly. Less than 1 second without a suit. Even with a spacesuit, the pressure and extreme cold destroy your systems almost immediately. You would survive only 2 to 3 seconds. Neptune, the farthest planet from the Sun. A dark, frozen world with the strongest winds in the entire solar system. Neptune's atmosphere is a deadly mix of freezing temperatures, toxic gases, and winds faster than any storm on Earth. Without a suit, you die instantly, less than 1 second. Even with a spacesuit, the extreme winds and pressure destroy your systems almost immediately. You would survive only 2 to 3 seconds. From Mercury to Neptune, every world in our solar system is deadly. Some kill you in seconds. Others crush you long before you reach the ground. And yet, in the middle of all this darkness, there is one place where life survives. One planet that protects us. Earth. Our journey doesn't end here. There are still moons, dwarf planets, and worlds beyond the edge of our system. And each one is even more dangerous. This is only the beginning.